Hello, everybody. Gbenga Olatunji here. Audit finalization and reporting, and it's going to take up a form of revision. We can all agree on one thing, that audit is not completed until it is reported upon. So, what are the things that should feature when we are talking about an audit report? Those are the questions we are going to be answering today. We are going to be looking at the basic elements of an audit report: its title, addresses, introductory paragraph, director's responsibility for the financial statement page, auditor's responsibility page. We must talk about the opinion paragraph, reporting and responsibilities, auditor's signatures, director's signatures, date of reporting, auditor's address. These are all some of the elements that we must talk about, and all these are being guided by ISA 700, ISA 75, and ISA 76, that is International Standard on Auditing on Unmodified Audit Reports. ISA 700 talks about modified audit reports, and ISA 76 spoke about emphasis of matter. What is emphasis of matter? These are the things that we must address in this revision. We will revise the definition of an audit report. What is a modified opinion? What is an unmodified opinion? We are going to talk about what nature of circumstance can cause us to qualify an audit opinion. What is adverse opinion? What is disclaimer opinion? We are going to look at them. What is pervasiveness? What is materiality? What is this concept of truth and fair view that we all talk about? We are releasing the video on revision on auditing and finalization and reporting, actually, and this is just a prompting that the video is being pushed out. If you are just listening to us for the first time, we would love you subscribe. For returning, you are welcome. If you are yet to subscribe, please don't forget to click that notification button, subscribe to us, and comment. You can share if you truly love what you've been hearing, and encourage others to be reached out to. From GJAMES as a channel, Gbenga Olatunji, we'll be signing off.